Hey my bakies, I'm Monique and this is Get So Baked. Today we're going to have a great meal. I'm talking easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's Chicken Alfredo. I'm talking chicken, I'm talking noodles, cheese, ooey, gooey yumminess, okay? Let's just get right on into it, okay? I like to have all my ingredients out so it's easy access. Fill up your pot halfway with water and let's get it going to a rapid boil, and then you'll be able to add your noodles in after that. So I just turn mine on to like a high heat, season them up, and I like things easy. These seasonings got at the 99-cent store. Still good. Seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. You want to get it on both sides. Season it up. You can add any other seasonings you like, but these are my go-to. It's gonna be good. And always make sure to wash your hands after handling chicken. You don't want no salmonella in your meal. Give it a good wash. Nice good 20 seconds. Hot water. Let's go. Get your measuring tools out. Measuring cup. And a whisk for whiskey business. Now while everything is cooking up nicely, you want to start on your Alfredo sauce. About a cup of heavy cream. Get that oil going. Now this is the best sound to me ever. Get it to a nice sizzle. You want to place your chicken away from you so you don't want any oil to splatter up on your body. While that's sizzling, you want a good rapid boil for your water and add your noodles in. Cook it to the directions on the box, which will be about 9-10 minutes, or according to your box. I like it al dente. And while that's going, pour in your cream, heat that up. Then you'll add a half a stick of butter. Now, I like butter, but you do not have to add butter at this point, but it just gives it another level of flavor to me. To each his own. But listen to that sizzle though. So good, so good, so good. Cook your chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You're looking for a nice golden brown. Look at that golden color right there. And then cook your chicken to a temperature of 165. Now after you add your butter, go ahead and add about a half a cup of parmesan cheese. And then also throw in some parsley in there, about a 1/4 cup. Whisk that on up. Milk, butter, cheese, parsley, whisk it up. Let's go. And that's about it. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Easy, right? Oh, now we just gotta dig in and taste it. But I like it saucy, so we gotta add a little bit more sauce to it. Guys, so good. The chicken, noodles, the ooey gooey yumminess right there. Please make this, guys, and let me know how you like it. Until then, thank you so much. Get So Baked.